Cadell, commercial and domestic electronic lever lock, designed for timber doors and built for accessibility. Introducing LOCKTON CADELL52. 6 ways to unlock. Fingerprint, PIN, RFID, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or key. Smart, secure, and built tough for high-traffic environments. Engineered for durability, tested to 1 million cycles. At the heart of CADELL52 is the precision-engineered ML60 mortice lock. When using the ML60 mortice lock, CADELL52 can be configured with the internal turn snib, offering extended functionality. Flexible setup. Fit the oval cylinder through the CADELL52 and into ML60, or mount it in the front handle for key override. CADELL52 retrofits over existing wide-plate mortice furniture, using the same post holes for a seamless upgrade. Alternatively, pair your CADELL52 with the LOCKTON dead latch when upgrading knob or lever sets. Choose your style: satin stainless or matte black to suit any space. Manage access anytime, anywhere with the TTLock app. Backed by a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. LOCKTON CADELL52. Smart security without compromise. Visit LOCKTONSecurity.com.